In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of the IKEA Kitchen Planner, a fantastic tool for those looking to design their dream kitchen with ease. So let's dive right into it and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the IKEA Kitchen Planner on the official IKEA website. If you're not automatically directed, you might be asked to choose your country from a list like Canada, the US, or the UK. Once you've selected your location, you're ready to get started by clicking on Start Planning. This action will open up the planner directly in your web browser. Next, it's important to have an IKEA account because it allows you to save your kitchen designs for future reference. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one by clicking on Create Account. Once your account is set up, or if you're returning as a user, simply log in. Now that you're inside the planner, it's time to set up your kitchen space. Start by choosing your room shape, whether that's an L-shaped, U-shaped, or galley kitchen, depending on your available area. You'll also need to input room dimensions, including height, width, and depth, to ensure the plan is realistic and tailored to your space. Don't forget to add all necessary details such as doors, windows, and any water or electrical points for ultimate precision. With your kitchen space mapped out, you can start adding cabinets and appliances. Use the menu options to drag and drop items into your design layout. This includes base cabinets, wall cabinets, drawers, and shelves, as well as essential appliances like fridges, ovens, and dishwashers. You have the freedom to easily rotate, resize, and move items to fit your envisioned layout perfectly. When it comes to personalization, the planner allows you to customize with cabinet colors, handle designs, and various finishes. You can complete the look by adding countertops, a stylish backsplash, and appropriate lighting fixtures. An added benefit is that the planner will keep track of prices and update them as your design evolves, ensuring you stay within budget. Once you're happy with your design, click on Summary to review all your items along with the total cost. Saving your plan is a breeze. You can either save directly to your IKEA account or download it as a PDF for offline viewing or sharing. If you'd like some professional input, consider scheduling a free IKEA kitchen planning appointment. These sessions can be done online or at your local store, and it's a great opportunity to gain insights from IKEA staff who can further refine your plan and help with ordering. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to enhance your planning experience. Use a laptop or desktop for the best performance, as the planner doesn't function well on mobile devices. Keep your web browser up to date, particularly when using Chrome or Edge, for optimal tool functioning. Additionally, sharing your design link with family or a contractor is easy, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel empowered to create the kitchen of your dreams with the IKEA Kitchen Planner.